Hello, my name is Mark Evans. This is Project 3 for Week 3, AOC 1. And this week we are dealing with functions, and we had to create 3 functions. One is adding 2 integers and displaying the result of the integer. The second function is a compare function, which shows a boolean of whether or not the 2 integers are the same, and that'll be displayed as true or false. And then the third function is displaying a single string from 2 separate strings. And like I said, it wasn't too hard to do. Following the videos, everything was pretty straightforward. But we also dealt with the UI alert view of creating a native view alert for the iOS platform here. Like I said, I'll go through my code here a little bit, and then I'll run it and show you exactly what I got. So I got 2 integers here, both of them the same value, 5. So when I compare the 2, we should get a true statement. And then adding the 2, we should get 10. And then I also have a string here that says I'm part 1 of a string and I'm part 2 of a string. So we should see that all together as 1 string. And I'll go ahead and run this, and we'll see what we got. So everything's ran here. We see the appended string alert. I'm part 1 of the string, I'm part 2, and that worked fine. The compare alert shows both integers are the same. It says true, so that's good. And then the NS number alert says the addition of the 2 integers is 10, which is exactly what I was looking for. But this week, I guess the tricky part for me was writing the function itself using the negative signs, the instants and everything, and the void and NS integer, and basically what we're going to see as what we're returning using pointers and everything. That's a little tricky for me just because of the syntax. I'm not quite used to it. Like I said, everything here is more of just it's new to me, so like I said, obviously I'm doing it, it's just it's not really sticking because I haven't, this is the first time doing it. Obviously for JavaScript, we did it so many times, it's just second nature, so it's very different in the way it looks compared to JavaScript. Objective-C and JavaScript just looks completely different right now for functions. But the overall idea is the same, so it's easy to comprehend of what it's supposed to do. Dealing with the UI alert view and everything, that didn't seem that hard. It's just with Objective-C, you got to account for the space and everything, allocating space, using a lot of arrays and combining all that together. It's a little different, but it wasn't that bad, and I don't really have any other questions. Like I said, everything was pretty straightforward, but like I said, everything worked out, and hopefully everybody else is doing all right with this, and I'll see you next week. That's it. Later.